What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your Discord link never expire. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do guys, just log in on your Discord. When you open your Discord like me, you will see here your channels. The fastest way to create Never-Expire link is just to click on your channel and you will see this guy here. Click on this and go here edit invite link. And you will see here expire after. You can set what you want, but now we need to never expire. Click this, go here on max number of users, go here no limit, go generate new link and copy it. And we have successfully created never expire link for Discord. And that's it all guys for this video. If this guide helps you, share with your friend, hit subscribe button and I see you in next video. Bye guys.